Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to revolutionize your power needs, the 4000W Solar Generator Kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 4000W Solar Generator Kit? This comprehensive system is designed to provide reliable power backup for your home, RV, or any off-grid setup. It features a robust 4000W power inverter that supports both 110V and 220V AC outputs, making it versatile for various applications. With a continuous power output of 300W and a peak power of 4000W, this kit is ideal for powering multiple devices simultaneously, as long as their total rated power stays within 300W. One of the standout features of this generator kit is its dual USB ports, allowing you to charge your devices with ease. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or any other USB-powered gadget, you can conveniently keep them charged while you're on the go. The system also includes a 30A solar charge controller, which manages the charging and discharging of your battery, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The solar panels included in this kit are designed to harness solar energy efficiently. By converting sunlight into electrical energy, these panels offer an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional power sources. Not only do they help reduce your carbon footprint, but they also provide a sustainable energy solution that can save you money in the long run. The dual LED digital display is another impressive feature. It provides real-time information about battery status, including undervoltage and overload warnings, high temperatures, and short circuits. This intuitive display makes it easy to monitor the system's performance and ensures that you're always in control of your power needs. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves camping, road trips, or simply needs a reliable backup power source for your home, this solar generator kit is perfect for you. It's also an excellent choice for those living in remote areas or for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on conventional power grids. Practical use cases for this kit are endless. Imagine powering your refrigerator during a power outage, keeping your devices charged while camping, or using it as a backup generator for your home during emergencies. The flexibility and reliability it offers make it an invaluable asset in numerous situations. In conclusion, the 4000W Solar Generator Kit is a powerful and efficient solution for any